So now if you want to mirror it to the other side, let's hide the lattice and just mirror it and just hit origin 3D cursor. There we have it. But before that, make sure that you have resetted the all. I mean, if it doesn't work, make sure you have resetted the all transform. Origin 3D cursor, same over here. Let's go to mirror rotation. There we go. Same thing. We have to make the border ring for this one, for both of these, as you can see over here. I'll select this first. I'll click that, take the Shift D, PS. Third subdivision A, then F, then insert this a little bit. This one should be alright. XF, A, easy. Turn off the sub D. I'll just give it the borders. There we go, we have a border. Now let's push the grill inside just a little bit. Alright, just rotate a little bit. Cool. Oh no, yeah, just go to origin to geometry. Turn off the mirror. And just rotate it just a little bit. Cool. Just move it over the x-axis. Three cursor, mirror. Let's apply scale and rotation and location. There we go. Perfect. That's what we have to do with this frame. For that, take this. Shift D, right click. Get to this selection. Now we can do the same thing like just how we've done. AF, insert it a little bit. Press B. XF. Insert B. Okay, so B is not working. We just have to normally insert it. Get rid of a face. Now we may have to use the knife tool to cut it. Alright. Same over to the lower side. At last. At last. Nice. Delete this edge. Easy. That should be enough. Turn out the subdivision, now give it the sharpness.